evening, everybody, and thanks for joining us on this wet night. The Department of Emergency Management urging everybody to stay indoors today, stay off the roads. We know for many reasons. First, we know at least 3 people have been struck by lightning tonight. We don't have any information on their conditions.
Now, as for the heavy rain, it's causing dangerous conditions on the roads. Our Sam Spangler joining us now from the H1 freeway. Sam, how's it looking out there?
Lauren, it is very wet out here. We're at the Alla Street overpass of the H1 where the freeway has been closed in the westbound direction from behind me at the Pauley entrance until you can see the Vineyard exit over here going westbound. Now, we just saw crews on the westbound side of the freeway checking out the puddles, and it's not really puddles. These are almost full-blown lakes here out on the freeway. Everything is soaking wet. Even here on the overpass, which is kind of a peak, we're stuck in about 2 or 3 inches of water, and the water's flowing down. So that gives you a good idea. If you're on flat ground or something that's going to be low-lying, there's a lot of flooding on Oahu tonight. Stay off of the roads if at all possible, and especially if you're going to continue to think that driving on the westbound H1 is something you can do tonight. Probably not going to happen. We haven't heard when it's going to reopen, but with the crews working right now, it doesn't look like it's going to be anytime soon. And as you heard earlier from Lauren, 3 people struck by lightning tonight. A bad idea to go outdoors, and especially a bad idea to get on the roads. We'll keep you updated from here as much as we can throughout the evening. Reporting from Alla Overpass, Sam Spangler, KHON2 News.
All right, Sam, thank you very much. So here's a different view of the H1 freeway. And for those of you who were here a couple of years ago, it was back in 2016 where the remnants of Tropical Storm Darby caused the exact same situation in the very same place. Water coming down from School Street above, flooding down, water falling onto the freeway below. Actually, the Department of Transportation, along with the city, they took out large banyan trees, if you recall. They spent millions of dollars redoing all the drainage in that area to prevent this from happening. And here it is, happening again tonight on certainly no tropical storm or hurricane, but a significant rain event. And again, the H1 freeway from the Pauley Highway to Vineyard area, that entire area in the westbound direction is shut down. And as we now take you over to Nimitz Highway, everybody's being told Nimitz is an alternate route, but certainly it's not much better. This is near Waikimilo. A lot of flooding there and all kind of widespread damage and issues going on pretty much island-wide.
That's right. The Department of Transportation also saying that the H1 westbound at Middle Street and Ala Moana Boulevard at South Street are experiencing flooding as well. If you don't need to be out, please stay indoors. This is an extremely dangerous time to be driving. I do want to point out FEMA tweeted about this, but they said that half of flood deaths happen in vehicles, and even just 6 inches of water on the roadway is enough to lose control. So, of course, that's saying turn around, don't drown.
Exactly. I was just going to say that. In the meantime, we also know that lights are out. We have had some reports of people stuck in their cars, and that's a scary situation. You're stuck in your car, the water is rising. What do you do? So if you're home, don't go out. If you're driving, just obviously you're not listening to us, but for your loved one at home, leave them alone. Let them focus on the road. Don't be driving or texting them or calling them while they're on the road.